People, today is January 7, 2022, and today is the world boss Earth Strong. So we are big up the Gaza man pan him Earth Strong, and all of the Gaza fans them gonna just shout him out same way. You see me I say. So people, there again with some quick update. But just want to tell you real quick. Shani Muir is in Canada right now. You see me I say Toronto show I go mad. But I look for the flyer, but I couldn't find it for going all of the details. But people may have some video where me I go show. I say first video I have Spice. She did a little interview with TMZ. Well, it's a big interview. So I say okay, I say TMZ is a little interview. So I have a clip with that for sure. No, I also have a clip with Shenseea, and then me have some more clip from Spice It Up show. Magnum Spice It Up, right? So first I go kick off things with Spice on TMZ. So take a listen to this. Here goes.
You, aside from your talent, just your perseverance, that you have been your own stylist, your own publicist, your own manager. You've done everything on your own for a decade, and you have succeeded, and you are now a wealthy woman. You were once homeless, and I'm really fascinated by this. Do you feel sometimes like, oh God, it could all go away? Or have you kind of embraced this new life?
I have embraced this new life, and I'm fascinated that you know my story and my journey. It has been a long one coming. I lost my home to fire when I was about 12 or 13 years old. I was homeless, bouncing from house to house. And my slogan right now is from homeless to greatness, or from homeless to owning houses. I just purchased one in Atlanta, and I've been doing extremely well for myself. For the past 10 years, I've managed myself. I've been my own record label, my stylist and everything. So I'm just super gleeful and excited. And I want to be a living testimony to women out there. You know, when one door closed, you can open another one. So I just want to be that living testimony to show people that it is possible and dreams can become a reality. So I'm just super excited over this. And
yeah, people, so you can more than likely find the full interview on the TMC website. I look on them YouTube channel, I don't see it. You see me? So more than likely they're on the website. So check that out if you want to see more of that. And we have to big up Spice on our accomplishments. You see me? I say going from losing our home in a fire to all the way to being Grammy nominated. You see what I say? So big up Spice Pan. That we know say house burning down in Jamaica is a very common thing. I don't know how the rest of the Caribbean stay, but more than just imagine all across the world. You see what I say? Fire is uncontrollable at times, and that's something where we see over and over we just have to deal with it. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, she was a victim of that when she was very young, but she overcame all of that. Now, people, we are going to move on and we are going to talk about Shenseea. Shenseea go sing for you, see me? So Shenseea love to sing. I don't know if you know that. You know, we know her as a DJ, and them even make fun of her at times and say she have a gunman voice and all of that, but she love to sing. You see me? And the way I know said that clip you shot, it end up all the way up on the Shaderoom. You see me? So I just want to share this with Uno also and see what you feel about it. So without any further ado, take a look at this Shenseea singing for us. Here goes.
Said if I ain't got nothing, I got you. Said if I ain't got something, I don't give a damn, 'cause I got it with you. Hey, I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1 + 1 = 2, and it's me and you. That's all we'll have when the world is through, 'cause baby, we ain't got nothing without love. Darling, you got enough for the both of us. Now you make love to me when my days.
People, Spice It Show, Spice It Up is back, right? I don't want to know that already. So I say Spice It Up there and it hot as ever. And she sit down for talk with the baby moms of a few of our entertainers them. You see what me I say? And me have the little clippings for showing. No, I want to encourage you also, if you don't see it already, go check it out on the Magnum page. You see me? It there over there, the Spice It Up page, the full thing over there. You see me I say, as well as previous episodes. So I know a lot of people know about it, but I still have to make you know. You know what I mean? The one them want to know, I still ask you to go check it out because it's good, very insightful. That's what I say. But anyway, I'm going to stop it chatting and I'm going to show you some clips of Spice talking to Massacre baby mother, DeMarco baby mother, and Virgin baby mother, right? So take a listen to this. Here goes.
What about you now? DeMarco cry? What? Stop doing friends, some man.
I know your friend, I ask him.
No man. Me and DeMarco are friends. You're DeMarco too bad, man.
Used to cry.
What do you mean?
And say, my baby mother.
Remember me? I mean, you see tears come out of the man's eye.
Remember me and my baby father, day before him boss, I mean, it's like the mother, you know. And him always say, me remind him my mother. So the things that when mommy that tell him, me I tell him. So you cry and say, my baby mother, you are my mother alone. Ask anybody.
You can watch it now on magnumhub.tv or on YouTube. Yes, spice it up, spicy. Relax, yo.
Hey, spicy body now.
Where's the
big up the road, you know.
Him cheated.
It I'm not cheat a bunny bun. Me get some bunny in my skin, you see.
What do you mean? Like a whole heap of woman with you?
Whole heap.
What version you look like that type?
Oh God, he's such a handsome and a very he's well, not that will say right. Soft, but he's very
right.
Humbling somewhat, but Jesus please the bun so, them.
Climax, you already say that get look a bun and you work with it.
I'm work with it, yeah.
Oh, so you get bun. Opal, you never get no bun.
At one point in time, your sister.
Me bun Opal baby.
You can watch it now on magnumhub.tv or on YouTube. Yes, spice it up, spicy. Relax, yo.
Yeah, people, so like me say, I do some quick updates. You see what I say? Keep in tune with what go on the social media scene. You know, mostly with female artists, them. Apart from the story what I say, and not really story, but we just a big up the Vibes Cartel upon his birthday, right? We a big up the world boss, the teacher. So again, the Gaza Nation, me know so no know, but when you don't know, we post and we ask like, what is your favorite Cartel song? You know, at Tropics me get that from, and I go like say, my original thing still, but I thought it was a good post, so Mr. Tropics posted some kind of barrate. See what I say? But if you know will, you know what I mean, tell us said we what our favorite Vibes Cartel song. And before I go, I just want to big up a couple of my subscribers them from YouTube. You see what I say? I want to big up Reggae Bean. Also, I want to big up Lakeisha and Roots Girl Chin. You see what I say? So shout out to them subscribers there as well as everybody else who support